Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn opposite words with prefixes. Satisfied. Dissatisfied. I am satisfied with my work. She is dissatisfied with the service. Interested. Uninterested. She is interested in reading stories. He seems uninterested in the conversation. Honest. Dishonest. Vote for an honest person. Don't vote for a dishonest person. Patient. Impatient. Try to be patient with the kids. He gets impatient very easily. Faithful. Unfaithful. Stay faithful to your partner. She was unfaithful to her husband. Cautious. Incautious. Be cautious when you cross the road. Don't be incautious while crossing the road. Polite. Impolite. Please be polite to the guests. It's impolite to interrupt others. Grateful. Ungrateful. I am grateful for your help. He is ungrateful for what he has. Lucky. Unlucky. You are lucky to have this opportunity. He was unlucky in the draw. Fortunate. Unfortunate. We are fortunate to be here. It is unfortunate that he did not win the game. obedient, disobedient. Always be obedient to your elders. Don't be disobedient to your parents. Respectful, disrespectful. Always be respectful to your teachers. He was disrespectful during the meeting. Responsible, irresponsible. Please be responsible for your actions. It was irresponsible to leave the door unlocked. Active, inactive. Stay active for better health. She has been inactive lately. Able, unable. He is able to lift this heavy bag. He is unable to understand the question. Happy, unhappy. Are you happy with your new job? He is unhappy with the results. Correct, incorrect. This answer is correct. That statement is incorrect. Perfect, imperfect. This vase is perfect. That one is imperfect and needs fixing. Sufficient, insufficient. Is this amount sufficient? The funds are insufficient for the project. Convenient, inconvenient. Is this time convenient for you? No, it is inconvenient for me. Visible, Invisible. Are the stars clearly visible? No, the stars were invisible due to the clouds.